Digital dentures is the latest in dentistry. We used to make denture the same way that it's been done for hundreds of years, and now digital denture is a completely new way of making dentures. It's computer designed and computer milled denture, so no hand touches the fabrications of the denture from start to finish. For the fabrications of digital denture, we need 2 visits most of the time. But sometimes, let's say if we have a difficulty with the jaw relationship, we might need 3 visits to finish the treatment. Digital denture is not for everyone. You must come in and let us take a look at it, and then we'll decide based on the amount of bone that you have and the amount of gum that you have if you are ready to receive a digital denture. Because the way that we make a digital denture, the final product will fit better, it looks better, it's very much bacterial resistant, and the most amazing thing is you have a digital file for just in case if you drop your denture, you break it, you lose it, you can call the office and we can make a denture without you needing to come back and see us again.